Do you know how to describe the weather in English? Sunny. Sunny weather happens when the sun is shining brightly and there are few or no clouds in the sky. On sunny days, people like to go to the beach, have picnics, play sports, or go for a walk. Don't forget to wear sunglasses and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun. Cloudy. Cloudy weather happens when there are lots of clouds in the sky and the sun is hidden. On cloudy days, people might bring an umbrella just in case it rains. It's a good day for indoor activities like visiting a museum or watching a movie. Rainy. Rainy weather happens when water falls from the sky as rain. Sometimes it's light rain and sometimes it's very heavy. When it's rainy, people usually wear raincoats and carry umbrellas. Kids sometimes put on rain boots and jump in puddles. Snowy. Snowy weather happens when it's very cold and snow falls from the sky. Snow can cover everything in white. During snowy weather, people might go skiing, snowboarding, or build a snowman. It's also a good time to drink hot chocolates and stay warm inside. Windy. Windy weather happens when there's a lot of wind blowing. It makes trees, leaves, and other things move. On windy days, people might fly kites, but they need to hold onto their hats and scarves. It's also a good idea to avoid places with tall trees or loose objects that could fall. Stormy. Stormy weather happens when there's thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. It can be loud and a little scary. During a storm, people usually stay indoors to stay safe. Sometimes people read books, play games, or watch movies until the storm passes. How's the weather like in your city? Follow for more English lessons.